first thing I want to do is unplug the wiring harness on this blower motor resistor, pull on the tab, just move it out of the way, and then it's held on by two 5.5mm bolts, or screws, I guess. It screws into plastic. So go ahead and remove both of these. And at this point, you can pull it up and out. There we go. Just keep in mind, it still has this wiring harness attached, which goes to the blower motor itself. So we'll have to disconnect that as well. Just push on the tab, pull it out, and here's the old blower motor resistor. Take your new one, slide it down, make sure these little tabs line up, and press it down all the way. Start in the two bolts, or screws. Let's go ahead and snug them up. Okay. Don't go too tight on them. You don't want to break them or strip out the plastic. There we go. And route this wiring harness back behind this little hook here, just to keep it out of the way of everything over here. And plug it back into the blower motor. Make sure it clicks. Take your harness that goes to the resistor, plug that in, and make sure that clicks. And now go ahead and try out your blower motor on all speeds, and it should work on all speeds.